Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: power on the bike, confirm neutral detection, and steady idle. Once done, mount the quick shifter sensor at the linkage and route the wiring to the ECU. Make sure there is 0. 5-inch slack at joints to prevent strain. You then select a conservative quickshift map or enable the accessory table so you have a rollback option. This first setup gets you into a safe, testable state and lets you make small adjustments without risking damage. Now you refine the core behavior. Start with a 40 ms cut and perform short acceleration passes while logging. You want to see clean, fast shifts without backfires or missed gears. If you get clunks, increase cut time in 5-10 ms steps. Make sure to raise or lower the RPM threshold in 500 RPM increments so shifts occur where the gearbox is happiest. While adjusting, check mechanical linkage for free play and binding. Electrical fixes won't solve a crooked shift rod. Finish by validating performance across gears. Do several full throttle shifts from low to high and watch for consistent engagement. Once confirmed, tighten mounts, secure all wiring and clear logs to ensure long-term reliability. If problems arise, first check sensor polarity and connector seating, then measure continuity and consult ECU fault codes. These steps catch most failures. Keep a backup map and the original wiring handy, because reverting quickly lets you keep riding while diagnosing more complex issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.